Pell Network is the next project we're introducing to you today. This is a newly launched project, and you should watch the video until the end to learn more about it and how to join its testnet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our team. Let's get started. Pell Network is a decentralized security leasing platform for Bitcoin, aggregating BTC staking and LSD restaking services. The platform enhances Bitcoin's security on decentralized applications, providing diverse staking and investment options. The project aims to reduce the cost of building decentralized applications and offers passive income opportunities for BTC holders. Pell Network enables protocols to leverage a secure and reliable network from the outset, significantly lowering the barrier to securing new protocols. This opens up new possibilities for developers to create seamless and secure infrastructure designs. The project has raised $3 million in funding from Halo Capital, Marana Ventures, Mantle, and Paper. How to join the Pell Network testnet. Here's a guide on completing the three main tasks of the project: Galx task, Entract task, and Satoshi. First, we perform the Galx task. Please do the following steps. Step 1. You access the following link. I have left related links in the description of this video. You select Login. Select MetaMask. I have not installed MetaMask, so I use Phantom Wallet. Select Connect. Here you enter your username. Then press Sign in to register. Step 2. After successfully registering, you proceed to perform the basic tasks of the project. Let's proceed to Quest 1. In this section, there are mainly simple tasks with the project's social network X operations. In this section, please observe how I do it. After completing the tasks, you can choose to claim points. Next, we perform Quest 2. This task we do with authentication with the social network Discord. Select Connect Discord account. Select Authorize. We go to the Verification tab to verify the account. Okay, successfully verified. Now let's go back to check Quest 2. Okay, completed. We choose to claim points to receive points. Next, let's do Quest 3, Expedition Gas Preparation. Here, please follow me as I do it. If you have any difficulties while doing it, please join our Telegram group to get answers to your questions about the project. Okay, you have completed Quest 3. Don't forget to claim points. There are many quests below that you can experience yourself. You can refer to doing more tasks on Intract Task and Satoshi to accumulate more points. If you have any questions while doing the task, you can leave your comments in the comments section and we will answer them for you. We have just introduced the Pell Network project and how to participate in the project's testnet. If you find the video useful, don't forget to give us a like and share. Thank you very much for watching the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel to receive our next projects as soon as possible.